This is an iPhone 6 case with a Pokemon theme. It comes with the little charms. We have Valor, the charms that you can stick right in your phone. Mystic. Instinct. And also the 3 stickers. One thing I noticed about it this is what it came in, and I noticed waterproof. So you can stick a lariat through that, a lanyard I mean, and put your phone in here. Like, let's say you're going to the water park or to, I don't know, Disney. You can stick your phone in here and carry it with you, and you're not going to have to worry that it's getting wet. I saw that and I was like, wow, accept nothing but the best. For your love phone. It's made in China. But this case, I thought that is awesome because, you know, the bigger phones, it's hard to find a waterproof case for them. And this came along with the cover. This is for the iPhone 6, but they have them for iPhone 7, and they have them for different brands of phone as well. This just pops on your phone, and then you can put the charms in and stick that into your headset jack. If your phone has a headset jack, shade. No, really. It's for iPhone 6, and you can stick these in your headphone jack. These are charms. And I don't know if these are, I doubt if they're tattoos, but they look like maybe you can actually put these on your phone. They look like they're going to be like a see-through. I don't think these are tattoos. I think these are actually for you to put on your phone. I don't know, you could even probably put it on here, whatever one is your preference. Like that one's pretty darn cool. I would bet that would look great there. But I think you can even put these on your actual phone. But these are nice. And we're going to do a giveaway of this. And we'll let you know when the giveaway starts and what you need to do. So remember, it comes with 3 charms and the stickers and the case, and bonus, a waterproof case for when you go to like a water park, Disney, Legoland, something that, Six Flags, something that your phone could get wet. Slip it in here, put your lanyard through, you can carry this on your neck, and you don't have to worry about it. So this was like a super bonus. When I saw this, I was like, oh, that is awesome. So that's really thoughtful of this phone company to do that for you, because these can run pretty expensive. You can pay like $10 for something like this. So this was a really thoughtful gift from the makers of this case. So, yep. This is it. The Pokemon for the iPhone 6.